Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to achieve this Senegalese twist. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Elle and this is the channel where you will find food, fashion and DIY dished out to you step by step. If after watching this video and you've enjoyed it, then why not subscribe so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. A huge thank you to all my subscribers for staying with me and watching my videos. This video is packed with lots of useful tips, including my secret technique, which I call Elle's tip, to achieve a neat twist. So do stay tuned because you won't want to miss it. I am starting off with a freshly washed hair and have stretched it without using heat. I can show you how this is done in another video. To get the right thickness of hair, first I pat my hair using my fingers so as to feel the thickness, then I go over with a cotton comb to straighten the line. For my twist, I'll be using Expression Hair, color 2. I'm going to use less than 3 packs of expressions to do my twist as I don't want it heavy on my head. So the hair comes like this. I'll just check it on my head to see the length to cut into. Nah, it's too long. So I will be cutting each pack into 3 equal parts before using. Obviously, the hair is long cut at the ends, so I will be stretching it to give a natural look and to make sure the hair does not come apart after twisting. Okay, so what I'm doing here is pulling the hair little by little with one hand while holding firmly with the other hand, so that we don't lose any hair in the process. I'm happy with the ends now, but look at this, what a mess. To fix this, I'm going to gently run my comb through while holding it firmly. The product I'm using for my hair is a mixture of shea butter and coconut oil. I don't want my twist to be too big, so I'm going to take hair that is the thickness of my pinky finger. And of course I'm still stretching the hair to have that nice finish after twisting. So take the hair and split into 2 strands like this. Then loop one over the other so that it looks like this. And keep stretching. Okay, so once you're happy with your hair, grab it with your index finger and your thumb like that, and with the other hand hold your hair. So it's a little bit complicated, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair into 3 equal parts like this, and then I'll carefully show you how to hold it. See, with my index finger I'm holding the hair, I'm going to split the extension over my hair like that, and I am going to start braiding. So I've got 3 parts. Okay, and then I loop one strand over the other like so, and then back. Okay, you can see that, one on top of the other, and loop. So keep braiding. So I'm going to braid up until 1 inch in, and then I will stop. The strand in the middle I'm going to split into 2 equal parts, and then share it between the other strands, and then I start to twist. Now to get good twist in, twist each strand anti-clockwise, and then place the left strand over the right strand like this, and then twist again anti-clockwise and place the left strand over the right strand. You just continue with this process. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm going to touch with a little bit of coconut oil and shea butter so that my hair can stay in place in the extension. Now that I'm about 1 inch to the end, I'm going to split the 2 strands into 3 equal parts and braid. This method would allow the twist to stay in place. Okay, let me show you something. Now that the twist is done, can you see it's not quite straight? So I'm going to show you how I make it really straight. Okay, I'm going to run my hands or my fingers through like that. Okay, I'm just holding the hair firmly and then running my fingers over like that. So what the effect of that is, it gets the twist really straight. So I'm going to go ahead and carry on twisting, and then I'll come back to show you after I have twisted with the whole pack of expression. After a whole pack of expression, this is what it came to. So now I'm going to open another pack and then I'll carry on. Personally, I think it's a lot easier to attach the hair first by braiding then twisting than to twist it right from the start. So especially if you're doing it on your own head. For beginners, try this method and tell me what you think. Also, for the end, some people like to tie it, but I braid it, as you can see in the video. Having said that, I think it also depends on the texture of hair you're using. So go with what works for you. Two full packs of expressions in, and this is the result. So it looks like I'm going to use less than 3 packs. Wow, yay! With this last section of hair, let me just show you again how to get the hair into a twist. All done now. So excited. So yeah, it normally takes about 4 or 5 hours for me to do my twist, but because I've got children, so that took longer than expected. But anyway, here we go. Now I'm just applying the shea butter and the coconut oil mixture on the scalp. I'm so happy about this twist. It's lovely, it looks neat, it's just perfect. Yeah, that's my 5 minutes madness. Or probably 10 seconds madness. Yeah. Next, I'm going to be dipping the ends of this twist in hot water for a minute or two just to seal the ends. And make sure to have a towel ready. Notice I'm drying the hair downwards. You don't want to scrunch the hair. We want to have that straight, sharp look. Now I will be applying my heat protector / serum because I will also be applying heat to further dry the twist and to give it a smooth, straight look. If you've enjoyed watching this video, then go ahead and subscribe by clicking the red button below, like us, and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!